Ertugrul, the father of empires. Ertugrul was the father of Osman I. Osman I founded the Ottoman Empire. We know little about Ertugrul's life. What we do know comes from Ottoman stories. These stories were written long after Ertugrul's time. Ertugrul's life is important to the Ottoman story. He is seen as the starting point of their dynasty. His struggles represent the early challenges of the Ottomans. Understanding his life, or the stories about it, helps us understand the Ottomans' view of themselves. The Ottomans were very powerful. They ruled over a large empire for centuries. Their empire included parts of Europe, Asia, and Africa. The stories about their origins are important for understanding their culture and beliefs. Whispers from the past. Legends of Ertugrul. Many legends surround Ertugrul. These stories are exciting and dramatic. They tell of a brave leader who fought for his people. One famous story tells of Ertugrul's victory over the Mongols. The Mongols were a powerful enemy at that time. Another story tells of Ertugrul finding Sogut. He found this town after getting lost in a blizzard. This discovery became a key moment in the early Ottoman story. It is said to be the first step towards establishing their empire. These stories highlight Ertugrul's bravery and leadership. They show him as a chosen leader. He is destined to lead his people to greatness. These stories help to create a powerful image of Ertugrul in Ottoman history. Truth in the tales separating fact from fiction. It is difficult to separate fact from fiction in Ertugrul's life. Historians have very few sources from his time. We have to be careful about the stories we believe. We do know that he was a Turkic leader. He lived during a time of great change. The Seljuk Sultanate of Rum was collapsing. New powers like the Mongols were rising. It is likely that Ertugrul led his tribe in this chaotic environment. However, many details of his life, like the dramatic stories of battles and discoveries, are uncertain. They were written down much later. They may reflect the Ottoman Empire's desire to create a glorious past for themselves. The legacy of Ertugrul, a blend of history and legend. Ertugrul's life remains a mix of history and legend. While concrete historical evidence is scarce, his importance lies in what he represents. He symbolizes the birth of the Ottoman Empire. The stories about him, true or not, shaped Ottoman identity. They provided a narrative of their origin story. Ertugrul's struggles, bravery and leadership served as an inspiration for the Ottomans. Though shrouded in mystery, Ertugrul's impact is undeniable. He stands as a symbol of the Ottoman Empire's rise from humble beginnings to a major world power. His story reminds us of the power of narrative and legend in shaping history and identity.